I am having surgery in 2 weeks, so this is how I am getting ready. First, I needed to reset the basics. I was criminally behind on laundry, so that's where I started. I washed all of the sheets too because after surgery, the last thing that I should be doing is making beds. Another thing on my mind was the shower. I really wanted to get that scrubbed before surgery, so it would be one less thing to think about. Another thing I wanted to do was reduce decisions for the first week. So a few ways I did that was by making freezer pizzas and prepping snack bins. That way the kids can grab something quickly by themselves. I've already been using paper plates, and honestly, I am going to recommend it to you. The last thing that you want after surgery is to be standing at the sink doing dishes. I also made a double batch of waffles for the freezer. They can warm those up in the microwave, or they're pretty good at making scrambled eggs themselves. One thing I realized is that I didn't have any comfortable or soft pants for recovery. So we stopped at the store and I was able to grab a pair. I set up my nightstand to be a little kind of recovery area. I cleaned it off, added a heating pad, some chargers, a few books. I even put a few nail supplies in there because I know I'm going to need something to keep my hands busy. The last part is preparing mentally. I think it's important to lower your expectations, let go of perfectionism, and you need to be comfortable delegating. Let people know what you need. I am very lucky to have a big support system around me. Systems are not about perfection, they are about support. Once the house felt more manageable, I started thinking about how to prepare myself for recovery.
Through the highs and lows, I'll find my way. In the rhythm of life, I'll dance and sway. With every step, I'll rise and shine. In this beautiful journey, I'll make life mine.